Hey y'all, in today's video we are going to be doing my weekly cleaning routine. I like to have a set routine for every week, that way I know I'm getting stuff done. And today's video is in collaboration with Mommy Lovely here on YouTube, and I will insert her intro clip in just a second. Don't forget to check her out after you see my video.
My name's Andrea from the channel Mommy Lovely here on YouTube. I am a stay-at-home mom to a beautiful little girl, and I post a lot of cleaning motivation as well as lifestyle and motherhood videos. So I hope you'll check my channel out after you're done here. Hope to see you there. Bye.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. This video is a weekly cleaning routine. I'm going to insert the image that I use as a checklist where I do everything. So this day we are focusing in the kitchen. So I was getting the dishes done, which I do those every day, but of course, you know, you have to get that done every week as well. So I just get those done and then I'll get on to my next task.
It's just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, still can't believe you love me. It never ends. Let's be more than friends, yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day, yeah.
So once I get all of the dishes cleaned, I just wipe down all of the countertops and all of the appliances.
It's just us two, me and you. Oh, I can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky.
You may notice in some parts of this video that there are still some fall decorations out, like right here on the table. That is because in some parts of this video I had filmed before I put up my Christmas decorations. And is anyone else's kitchen table a catch-all? Because it seems like that's where everything goes in this house.
Oh, where I'd rather be than with you.
And then once a week I will also go in with the Mrs. Meyer's baking soda cleanser and really give the sink a good scrub. I do clean out the sink every day, but I usually just use dish soap every day instead of the cream cleanser.
So lucky, still can't believe you love me. So lucky, still can't believe you love me. I wake up from the sunshine on my face, so dehydrated, don't know what to say. Who's sleeping by my side? What did I do last night? Can someone make this headache go away? Yesterday was supposed to be quiet.
Then I will just sweep the kitchen as well as Swiffer mop it.
Until I got a call, my friend showed up at my door. They wanted me to go out for a while. We were dancing with a feeling in our eyes. Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. Whoa, oh, 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 whoa, oh, 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 whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, 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 whoa, oh, 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 whoa, oh, oh. Every morning after feels the same. I know
Now, usually I will do the living room on Tuesdays, but I had to double up this day, and I try to do a load of laundry every single day. This day I was doing the blankets. They were in desperate need of a good wash.
we were dancing in the dark with a feeling in our eyes. Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark with a feeling.
Next thing on the list is to just pick up any clutter in the living room.
Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. Whoa, oh, 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 whoa, oh, 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 whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, 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 whoa, oh, 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 whoa, oh, oh.
How did we get this low? You come over and we start a fight. Never know who's wrong or right. Feel nothing when you go. I know it's not intelligent, drinking for the hell of it, but that's irrelevant now. We should talk about us.
Every week I will also make sure to dust everything in the living room. It can get very dusty and very hairy, as we do have Annie, which is a black lab, and she sheds a lot, so I have to go over it at least once or twice a week.
It's like you're a drug to me, I can't quit. It's not like we're still 22, trying something new, just a pastime. I don't think that we ever could work this out. None of it makes sense, there's no reason why I still fall back to you. I should probably let you go. I know I can be cynical, make everything difficult, but it would take a miracle now to fix our problems. How come we're holding on? 'Cause really I don't see the benefits now, and you've broken my trust, so I just wonder, why do I fall back to you? Really nothing I can do about it. Why do I fall back to you? It's like you're a drug to me, I can't quit it. It's not like we're still 22, trying something new, just a pastime. I don't think that we ever could work this out.
Okay, and then Wednesdays is reserved for the bathroom, and so the first thing I'm going to do is just clean the toilet really well, and then I will move on to the next task.
Why do I fall back to you? Fall back to you, fall back to you. Why do I fall back to you? Why do I fall back to you?
all your love. Oh, 'cause
Now, usually I will clean the bathroom counter off nightly, but sometimes I just like to go in an extra time, especially when I'm doing my weekly cleaning. And I was using the Method foaming bath cleaner for this, but I ended up not liking it once it gets to the end. I actually hated this the whole time I was using it, but I needed to use it up.
yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything, as long as I can be here with you. Everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
Alright, so this is on Thursday, and this is reserved for the bedrooms. So I just start off by making all of the beds. As you know, we are staying with my mama, and so we are all cramped into this one small bedroom right now. But we are going to be moving here soon. We still don't have a date, but I'm hoping that we get in soon because I'm so ready to have my own bedroom again.
I was probably too drunk, it's blurry, but I've got the image of you running circles in my mind right now. And it could fade away, but it probably won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll drown, but what can I do? And it would be alright to let me down. Rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why we try to fight it. Every time that we touch, the room caught on fire. We could blame it on the wine, but we know that we will both be lying. I wish I didn't want you. I was doing just fine, the way that it was. Then you hand me these emotions, didn't want them, but I guess that I'm stuck with them. They could go away, but I know they won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive
Now, I'm not gonna lie, our bedroom does get kind of messy with like bottles of water or Gatorade or just whatever, because we do like to spend our evenings in there just watching some TV and chilling out before bed.
Try to let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you. Yeah, I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this.
But I'm gonna dive into you. And maybe I'll try. What can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. We try to let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you. And it will be alright to let me down.
Alright, then after dusting, I think this is the last thing that I usually do every week is vacuum with our rainbow. I like to put a little bit of essential oil in our rainbow, give it a good vacuum. And I love our rainbow for that reason. I love being able to put the essential oil in it and just having the room smell really nice.
Like a modest total madness, but just wait. I really need to tell you something, 'cause I feel alone in a room surrounded by people.
Now I just have to pick up my mess that I needed to take into the kitchen to throw away or to use for Oliver, and that is going to be the end of this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope it gave you some motivation, maybe some ideas, or you can use my checklist. I will try to leave a link to it down below so that y'all can print it out and use it yourself. But yeah, I hope that y'all have a great rest of your day, whatever time you may be watching it, morning, afternoon, nighttime. And I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to give a like and a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel where I make new videos every Monday and Friday. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.